Hey guys, today we're going to be setting up our PackScrim. So to start with, let's go over the contents of your package. It'll include a length of shock cord, a cord lock, and then your actual scrim folded in the pouch like this. So to start off with, let's move these aside and go ahead and unfold our scrim. You'll notice on the scrim, it is symmetric and the top side has more of a curve to it, whereas the bottom is more flat. We're gonna be starting on the bottom. So to start off with, just take your shock cord here, find the middle two holes and start by passing the shock cord through one of those holes. And now we're just gonna go all the way around the scrim, alternating in and out, just as if you were sewing. Pro tip, you can actually install the cord lock as a stopper to make sure you don't pull your shock cord through as you're weaving this through the mesh. All right guys, so we've made it around to the other side, the bottom side of the PackScrim, and now I'm just gonna take my other tail and tuck it through this cord lock. Like so. So now we've got both of these ends. I'm just going to take them, tie a simple overhand knot, making a loop and tucking the tail through it, like so. Dress it up, and now your PackScrim is assembled. All right guys, so now we've got our pack and we're just gonna install the PackScrim on here. I have the buckle down here, the bottom side, so I'm gonna grab the opposite side of the scrim, line it up with the center top of our pack, go ahead and pull it over the head, and then simply just take the bottom side here with our cord lock and stretch it over the bottom side of the bag. All right guys, so there you go. There's our PackScrim installed on a pack. If you have any further questions, feel free to fill out our contact form on our website, 100concepts.com, or hit us up on Instagram or YouTube. Thanks guys.